Role and responsibility of top management. In this heading, uh, you can include general manager, president, vice presidents, board of directors, chairman, CFO, CFO, and or you can say CEOs, chief executive officers. Then and there are you can say in case of strategic management, there are a large number of studies are conducted at top notch business schools of America all over the world. Like what about their roles, or you can say functions, how they are conducting, how they are coordinating, and what should be the role of you can say top management, and how to execute, how to plan, how to go forward. And several studies are being conducted, had been conducted in the past by the top notch business schools in the world. Like they provide I'm just roughly talking a thought of their researches I'm giving you, like direction of the corporation, in which direction they are going. And they need a variety of skills and has many roles to play. They must have a sort of you can say variety of skills. They must be journalist. कहा जाता है कि they must be journalist, and they should know, they should have each and every knowledge of each and every field or areas. Is a reflective thinker, reflective thinkers, like they have farsightedness, vision in years to come, what job is to be conducted in short period, in long period. They are instructing, they are a leader, they are troubleshooter if any problem is coming. They are not only solving problem, so they are just a troubleshooter, I tell you, troubleshooter. Okay, then they require judgment, courage, empathy, and ability to articulate and persuade. Like I'm quoting: judgment, courage, empathy, and ability to articulate and persuade your followership. Along with that, they are just, or you can say they must be conversant with internal, because closely he is or she is linked with that. And along with that, he must be you can say a sort of watchdog of external environment. What is happening in other parts of the world, what is happening in other parts of the world, or you can say domestic market, like what are the government and policies and programs are, they are always changing. Socio-cultural issues are there, environmental problems are there, level of technology, which type of technologies they are coming, geographical factors are there, and you can say legal systems are there. So many legalities are there, rules and regulations, they are changing in India, other parts of the world, what is happening in a European Union of the part, and where those who are you can say change agent in international level, like America, like Europe, and many more, or you can say from third world countries like Brazil, India, and South Africa. They are a sort of vocal force. Then I'm just coming to points. First one is interpersonal role. He is a figurehead of the organization. He is at the top. He is iconic figure, or she is iconic figure, and people are just looking at him. What direction, what is likings and dislikings are there, vision and mission is there. Like if I can quote Yogi Deveswar, Microsoft, Bill Gates is there, Jeff Bezos is there, and earlier in case of Apple, iPhones, he was now at present Tim Cook is there, CEO, and earlier I'm forgetting his name. So they give direction to the, you can say, team members and organization as a whole. The figurehead must be ideal, must be complete. In all direction, he is covering the areas of operations all over the world. And they perform numerous routine commercial duties, like I'm just telling you, GM and sometimes general manager, presidents, like that. As a whole, I'm talking to you. And then routine commercial duties of legal, social nature. It gives importance in legitimizing the firm to outsiders or company to outsider, a sort of legitimizing the company to outsiders. As a leader, so they have responsibility for, you can say, overall, you can say, at a lower level, mid level, staffing, training, motivation, motivating the subordinates, and they have a liaison work, role of public relations are also wherever they are going. Everybody, I tell you, everybody in the organization is, he or she is performing the role of public relations, and it is a sort of great job. If employees are internal customer, those who are working in the organization, they are internal customer. If they are satisfied, then you are becoming ambassador of the company to outside world. Actually, public relations, I tell you, very important issue we don't recognize. Like you people are a brand ambassador of IBM. So your version, your statement is having impact in the society or future inputs of the IBM. Then public relations has been taken from PITHO. The word PITHO means art of convincing the people. Art of convincing the people. What happened during the days of Queen Victoria at the United Kingdom? She used to appoint Windsors. Windsor's job was to convince the people that monarchy is above common people. And ultimately their job was to convince the people, audience, and you can say citizens of the kingdom, that whatever decisions are taken by, second role is informational role. Like role of, just like he is a monitoring, reads periodicals, reports, make plant tours, and observe meeting to seek information about organizational environment. Actually, initially I told you that top management job is to frame policies, program, strategies, like that. Since he is at the top, he or she is being invited at several forums, business forums, social forums, and all where he specializes or she is specializes. And several reports are coming, business reports are coming all over the world, I tell you. Then they study, he studies, then he is sharing with his subordinates and organizations, and what he wants, where other people are excelling, then he wants that such type of things, such type of good things people are cherishing all over the world must be inducted in his organization. Okay, so he is or she is sharing with colleagues in the organization. Then observe meetings to seek information about organizational environment. Then as a disseminate the information about culture, about environment, what is happening in other parts of the, what is change in product, product profile, product strategy, or you can say pricing strategy, or you can say channel strategy. Like nowadays supply chain management is a big issue nowadays in the world. I tell you, logistics problem. Like recently in Suez Canal, a big ship was stranded, and you can say there was chaos and commotion for you can say at least one fortnight. Ultimately, whole trade with which was going through Suez Canal, it was just disrupted. So accordingly, again, contingency management, crisis management, you have to indulge into. If you are importing or exporting through that Suez Canal, ultimately your consignment is obstructed. Like during you can say festivals, or you can say beforehand you make planning, commotion is there. So you have to sort out, and it is the job of you can say top executive. He is concerned, though actually it is my opinion that a man is not successful, chairman is not successful, Ratan Tata is not successful. They are successful because of their team, his or her team members. In their think tank, they have think tank at the top, I tell you. Then team members, they are making, his team members are making him successful to great extent. If you just analyze the situation, like if you just study, in case of Mahindra and Mahindra are there, Tatas are there, Bajaj is there, Birlas are there, Kumar Mangalam Birla is there, and several companies, they are working in you can say in India. So they have team members, troubleshooters, policy makers, strategists, and they are master of their field. So they are advising chairman what to do and what not to do. And then their decisions role of decision maker, final decision. If a chairman has taken decision, it is final, no contradiction, no crisscross. Okay, then as an entrepreneur, I tell you, entrepreneur, कभी कभी कहा जाता है entrepreneurial spirit must be there in every employee, not only chairman, every employee, that whatever entrepreneurial characteristics they must be in an employee, risk taker, challenger, leadership. अगर जैसे मैंने एग्जाम्पल कोट किया होटल ताज का, nobody was there, but youngest lady Mallika Jagat was in the forefront and had taken every decision and every responsibility. She was in the forefront and dictating like anything. Junior, senior, doesn't matter. It is a crisis of the day. Just sort out any attendant. So, my dear, situation. So, they are being trained. They are such type of employees at Tata and several places. They are being trained. Like there was a fire at my plant. In other department, but others people, my colleagues, myself, were there, and we had a hose pipe, how to just extinguish the fire, and you can say informing top bosses and fire brigade just come there. To just for situational roles, they are being trained. They are motivated, they are inspired by the leaders. So such type of entrepreneurial, you can say, feeling, habit, attitude, mindset must be there. So it is a job of chairman are top-notch leaders to inculcate such type of habits in his colleagues, junior, senior, then organization is going high. Then strategy and review meetings are conducted. The reviewed strategies are reviewed in the meetings, and correct the problems and sort out the problems, solve the problems. If any problem is there, they are being sorted out. Then I said you they are they are handling disturbances, problems, barriers, and you can say right word is a troubleshooter. As you can say, according to researches, managers authorizes budgets and approve requests for the allocation of human resource, money, material resources are there. 4 M's, 5 M's, they are decided in the meetings. Budget is decided, or budget in the sense for HR, for the finance department, production department, R&D का budget क्या है, marketing का budget क्या है, whatever things are, they are being approved by the, you can say, top leaders, top leaders, top executives. Then a representative of organization, he is a representative of the organization as a negotiator. He negotiates for contracts with labor union, major suppliers or major customers. Actually, it is a not job of chairman and board of directors, I tell you. They are exclusively deal with strategic decisions, and they give their view and directionality, ultimately executed by president, vice president, general managers. Then they plan actually according the wishes of top-notch management, board of directors and chairman. The GM must spend substantial amount of time being organizational leader. Actually, if you just see, they may be first to come and last to leave, I tell you. They may first come. देखिए, वो सबसे पहले अगर अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, सबसे पहले वो टाइम से आते हैं और बाद में जाते हैं. So that message can be given to the employees. जब बॉस ही लेट आएगा, लीडर ही लेट आए, हो सकता है कि वो 10 बजे आ रहे हैं, 11 बजे आ रहे हैं, कोई सुबह का कोई असाइनमेंट हो, मीटिंग्स हो, कहीं जाना है, किसी के यहाँ जाना है, तो इट इज़ देयर जॉब to just come early and leave late in the, you can say, evening. Then they must spend substantial amount of time being organizational leader, personal leader and communicating with stakeholders outside and inside. Inside, I tell you, internal customer, outside the customer, I tell you. They are dealing with stakeholders. Stakeholders in the sense, you are not a equity shareholder, but people, those who are in the society, they are also stakeholders. Directly and indirectly, your organization is affecting their working. What happened in case of one plant in the south? And there was a commotion due to certain disruption of activity. Ultimately, government had to intervene, people had to intervene. So, need not to be, they are, you can say, working, they are, you can say, shareholder. Then this may have little room for strategic planning for or service to the people like it. But they have to find out. Their time is very precious. Even then, they have to think and chalk out the plans and programs. Then they are architect of the organizational purpose. They are architect of organizational purpose. They shape your vision, mission in years to come. What will be the shape in coming years? Then Then this role seems encompasses all of others. जब वो आर्किटेक्ट है, जब वो सब कुछ कर रहा है, तो sort of they are selling vision to the subordinates. The formulation of strategy, goals and plans for implementation is often considered an exclusive realm of the GM. Then many more may be involved in strategic management process. Many more, like a chairman, board of directors, presidents, and some others consultant may be there, outsiders may be there, those who are being trusted by these people. Then board of directors, CEOs, corporate planning staff, you can say think tank may be there. Then consultants, lower level participants are SBUs, strategic business units heads, also involved with goal setting, strategy formulation, implementation and control. They are involved in formulation and implementation and control. GM and above GM, they are involved in, you can say, formulation, implementation and taking control. Then they are also working as a strategist. They are involved in the formulation, implementation and evaluation of the strategy. They work as an individual or in groups. As I told you, individually and in groups they are working with team members. All managers are strategists. All managers are strategists. It may be top level, it may be middle level, it may be lower level. Actually, we have, I'm just using GM as a, you can say, representative of all top leaders. They may be chairman, they may be GM, they may be manager, they may be DGM. Okay. Then persons from outside organization are also taken in the strategy formulation. Like consultants are there, advisors are there, specialist people are there, experienced people are there. It can be seen very well, though we have, you can say, very seasoned professional in our country. Business tycoons are there. They have their knowledge, they have their wisdom, and they ultimately they are part and parcel of, you can say, in case of business operations. Like during Corona pandemic, I tell you, the top-notch people, they are also advising. Their advice is being taken how to tackle it. Like Ratan Tata, Mahindra's, you can say Ambani's. They are also working at their level. Then and there are 9 individuals are there. 9 individuals are there. They are affecting, they are making, they are part and parcel of strategy, formulation, implementation, evaluation and control. Then first one is a role of board of directors. The ultimate legal authority in business is that of board of directors. Trustees are the legal authority. They are, or you can say, on behalf of trust, they are also legally authorized to take any decision, and for good decision and for bad decision. If they are committing any anything wrong, they are liable to, or you can say, they are liable for their wrong decisions. Then board are responsible for stakeholders controlling agency. Like stakeholders, first one is stakeholders like you can say equity shareholders. Then controlling agencies like government, financial institutions, parent company. Like Tata Sons has majority of the shares of all the companies. They are every company is askable to Tata Sons based at Bombay. Along with that, suppose they are taking loan, they are taking finance from banks, then they are responsible for, you can say, financial agencies, government agencies, rules and regulations are there. of the countries are there. So they are also responsible for the nation at large and government at large. To ensure continuity, to ensure continuity of management, replacing or retiring ineffective people. Just suppose somebody is not working, somebody is not fit. Suppose the technology is changing, so many thinking is changing, and results are company is not getting results, required results. Then they may ask to step down, they may ask to resign, and you can say for exit. ये होता है कि मान लीजिए न्यू ब्लड now earlier it was a traditional thinking, conservative, you can say conservative thinking. No, actually in my opinion nobody is conservative. During a certain time period one person is working well, but time has changed. New technology is there, new thoughts are there, new people are there, environmental factors, external environmental factors, they are changing. Ultimately everybody has to change, and there should be replacement by fresh blood, new ideas. Okay? But in case of you can say everywhere exit is there, but in case of Japan they have beautifully, or you can say rationally, they have managed to great extent, I tell you. To great extent, tell you, like their seniors, they are coming in a week once and twice, they are sharing their experiences, they are sorting out their problem. Ultimately they are part and parcel of think tank. अब ये देखिए, तो जापान में, in Japan nobody is retired, everybody is, देखिए वो क्या करें, जो उनका थिंक टैंक है, यहीं के बंदे, यहीं के लोग हैं, कल्चर जानते हैं, सब कुछ जानते हैं, उन्होंने इस्टेब्लिश किया, वो बंदा चला गया तो उसकी नॉलेज उसके साथ चली गई, तो दे आर बीइंग इनवाइटेड, दे आर बीइंग रिस्पेक्टेड, दे आर बीइंग पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ द कंपनी. तो व्हाई यू आर जस्ट रिटायरिंग सच टाइप ऑफ पीपल? But nowadays I tell you, you can say like after 60 they should maintain continuity, replacing retiring ineffective people. मैं ineffective नहीं कहूँगा, जब उस बंदे को लिया गया है, आपने लिया है, तो इसका मतलब आप गलत थे, उनका इंडक्शन गलत था. ओके, देन प्रोटेक्टिंग द यूज़ ऑफ स्टेक होल्डर्स रिसोर्सेज. जैसे मैंने कहा स्टेक होल्डर्स रिसोर्सेज, तो it must be safer, it must be protected. Then ensuring that managers are taking prudent decisions, actions to fulfill the corporate target. जैसे क्या है prudent decision, और इसका prudent का व्यवहार एक शब्द है, इसका हिंदी में अर्थ है व्यवहारिक. It must be, or you can say it can be executed, it must be fit in the environment, in the conditions, must be taken well in the spirit. Then approving major financial and operational decisions of the managers, like financial decision. सबसे बड़ा एक कहते हैं कि finance is blood line of the organization. अगर आपका किटी अच्छा है, फाइनेंशियल किटी अच्छा है, तो आपका सब कुछ अच्छा है. तो देन यू मस्ट बी वेरी cautious enough, you must be sensitive enough while you are dealing with finance or budgets. That's why budgets are being there. Then representing the company with other organization and bodies in the, like board of directors, board members, they are reputed person, they are at the top, I tell you. So they are representing organizations in other places. Ultimately, so their role, they are one word in the, whatever their speeches are there, they are being watched by the, you can say, business world and people at large. एक स्टेटमेंट मैं समझ रहा हूँ, आप अगर फाइनेंशियल डेलीज पढ़ें, इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स है, फाइनेंशियल एक्सप्रेस है, और बिजनेस स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं, बिजनेस मैगजीन्स हैं, तो अगर आप उनको पढ़िए तो एक स्टेटमेंट अगर रतन टाटा दे दें, अनिल अंबानी दे दें, या मुकेश अंबानी दे दें, महिंद्रास दे दें, कुमार मंगलम दे दें, राजीव बजाज दे दें, तो इट मैटर्स इन बिजनेस वर्ल्ड, like Jeff Bezos' statement and Bill Gates' decision. Though it was his personal affair, in case of Bill Gates, it was flashed like anything all over the world, flashed like anything. Because Warren Buffett है, अजीम प्रेम जी हैं, तो their one statement matters in the world, I tell you, business world. So that's why it is you can say, they are holding a responsible post in the organization, maintaining, revising, enforcing corporate charter and bylaws. देखिए क्या है चार्टर, कारपोरेट चार्टर, एक आपका अपना चार्टर है. चार्टर मीन्स आपका पॉलिसी प्रोग्राम्स क्या है, आप क्या चाहते हैं. चार्टर क्या है, फ्यूचर चार्टर. जैसे हमने इंडिया ने जब आज़ाद हुआ तो ये हमारा चार्टर ऑफ फ्रीडम है, हम क्या चाहते हैं, चार्टर ऑफ फ्रीडम. तो सेम वे दे आल्सो चाक आउट ए चार्टर. क्लियर. तो दे कारपोरेट चार्टर, मेंटेनिंग, रिवाइजिंग, इन्फोर्सिंग कारपोरेट चार्टर एंड बाइलाज. बाइलाज क्या हैं, जो बाइलाज आपके रजिस्टर्ड हैं कंपनीज एक्ट में, आपने वादा किया है गवर्नमेंट ने, हम ये करेंगे, हम ये करेंगे, हम वो करेंगे, हम कंट्री को क्या देंगे. ठीक है, इट्स ओके. देन बोर्ड इज लीगली मैंडेटेड टू कंट्रोल द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड बी सेंट्रली कंसर्न विद मेंटेनिंग ऑपरेशंस एंड इफेक्टिवनेस. ठीक है क्या, अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, लीगली मैंडेटेड है, आप ही मालिक हैं, आपसे पूछा जाएगा, आपके नाम पे कर्ज दिया गया, आपके नाम पे सारी चीज़ें, ज़मीनें हैं, आप उसके ट्रस्ट के ट्रस्टी हैं, मेंबर्स हैं, यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल. लाइक चंदा कोचर, शी वॉज हेडिंग ICICI बैंक एंड शी वॉज शूड, दो हर आई एक्चुअली शी वॉज अ वंडरफुल लेडी, शी इज़ वंडरफुल लेडी, बट व्हाट हैपेंड आई टेल यू, वंस she had taken wrong decision, he was sued by the agencies, legal agencies, people, stakeholder at large ultimately. So you cannot go, or you can say you are not scot free, or you can say not free at all. You are responsible to the legal system of the country, and it is everywhere. अगर आप इंडिया में, सपोज आप कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि इंडिया में हम नहीं बाहर चले जाते, वहाँ भी इंटरनेशनल चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स है पेरिस में, लोग वहाँ जाते हैं. अगर इसके पहले एक आर्बिट्रेशन का कॉन्सेप्ट है इंडिया में है कि हमारी भाई मुल्क की इमेज ना ख़राब हो, तो एक आर्बिट्रेशन है, आप जाइए उसमें फ़ाइल कीजिए, थर्ड पार्टी दो लोग बैठेंगे, आर्बिट्रेटर बैठेगा, जजमेंट लेगा एंड इट इज़ टू बी एक्सिक्यूटेड. उसके बाद भी अगर आप नहीं मानते हैं तो मल्टीनेशनल्स दे कैन गो एट इंटरनेशनल चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स एट पेरिस. और उसमें बड़ा फ़र्क पड़ता है, इमेज पे फ़र्क पड़ता है, कंट्री की इमेज पे फ़र्क पड़ता है, कंपनी की और ये कैन से कंट्री पे फ़र्क पड़ता है. ठीक है, फॉरेन FDI, फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट इफेक्ट होता है. तो अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन से फॉरेन मनी और यू कैन से MNCs that take decision. Then members of board are knowledgeable, since they are at the top, knowledgeable, have business acumen and industry perspective are prerequisite for the membership. Actually क्या है, those who are board member of board, they are knowledgeable, they have business sense, business knowledge, industrial you can say mindset. These are the things, prerequisites for the membership. Nowadays it is not an easy job. बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर, चाहे वो HDFC के हों, चाहे आप ये समझ लीजिए रिटायर्ड पर्सन, दे आर IPS, दे आर इकोनॉमिस्ट, दे आर सोशलॉजिस्ट, दे आर ज्वाइनिंग बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर, आर independent directors are there. You can say those who are permanent members are there, those who are, you can say, for temporary directors are there, I'm just forgetting right word. There is a difference in the roles played by the board in family-owned organization. Like a family-owned, JK is you can say Reliance is there, Mahindra is there. So there is a sort of a difference in executions like that. Family-owned are a professionally managed or multinational organization. So there is a, you can say, a difference in the working of family-owned, family business organization, and a professionally managed organizations are by multinational. Board's only requirement is to direct. आपको डायरेक्टर मीन्स डायरेक्टर, आप किसी डायरेक्टर आप देख लीजिए इधर इन द डायरेक्टर एंड बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइज फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, बोलिए डायरेक्टर है, डायरेक्ट करना, डायरेक्ट टू वर्क, डायरेक्शन देना, डायरेक्शन टू लीड. ओके, लीडर कभी काम नहीं करता, वो डायरेक्ट करता है, लीड करता है, आगे चलता है, विजन देता है, मिशन देता है, हाउ टू वर्क, हाउ टू एक्सिक्यूट, हाउ टू इम्प्लीमेंट. And he is a troubleshooter at his own level. रतन टाटा किसी ठीक है आईएएस से नहीं बात करेंगे, सीधे पीएमओ से बात करेंगे, सीधे प्राइम मिनिस्टर से बात करेंगे. अगर प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है तो सीधे ही विल फोन टू पीएम ऑफिस. Directly they will meet, directly they will ask ministers, cabinet rank ministers. Okay. So they are, because of their level, they are because of their importance. Then board is only required to direct and many operational matters like technology collaboration. Like technology collaboration, nowadays technology is changing. It is a matter of you can say crores, many crores, hundreds of crores. $1 billion question is there. Then certainly chairman, board of directors, they will take in whatever their team members. As I told you, team members, think tank है उनका, वो डिसीजन लेगा. और उसके टीम होंगे 4-5 लोग हैं. कोई अगर जैसे रतन टाटा ने इंडिका का डिज़ाइन बनना था, उसकी एक टीम बनाई गई. आप समझ रहे हैं, टीम बनाएगी, टीम विल वर्क ओवर दैट. तो ऐसे उसमें एक टीम बनाई, टास्क फोर्स बनाया गया, स्पेशलाइज पीपल हैं, वो डिसीजंस लेते हैं. ठीक है, इट्स ओके. देन मैटर्स लाइक टेक्नोलॉजिकल कोलैबोरेशन, एनपीडी, न्यू प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट, सीनियर मैनेजमेंट अपॉइंटमेंट्स like NPD, new product, like Tata is just entering into defense, avionics. तो their team members, they are working on avionics, एयर स्पेस पे वर्क कर रहे हैं, डिफेंस इक्विपमेंट्स पे वर्क कर रहे हैं, डिफेंस व्हीकल्स पे वर्क कर रहे हैं. लाइक दे आर मास्टर ऑफ यू कैन से डीजल इंजन्स. तो दे आर, यू जस्ट गो थ्रू इन वेबसाइट्स, आने न्यूज इज देयर, information is there, plenty of information is there. They are making defense equipments, vehicles for defense. They are being operated in terrains or hilly sites. Their operations should not be hampered. That type of technologies they are, you can say, adopting for that technological agreement. Airspace, several companies they are working. Larsen Tubero is there. Lakshmi engineers are there, Pandit brothers are there. So, but they are working low profile. They such type of things they are not in public because this matter is of strategic importance. ठीक है? Then senior management. अब आप ये देख लीजिए, अगर टॉप का अपॉइंटमेंट होता है, डायरेक्टर्स का है, जैसे टाटा मोटर्स का, सपोज दे आर हायरिंग फ्रॉम अब्रॉड, फ्रॉम सेवरल मल्टीनेशनल, उनका जो डिज़ाइन सेंटर है उसका हेड होगा, या उनका मान लीजिए कोई कार डिज़ाइन का है, जो टेक्नोलॉजी का जो हेड होगा, वो बिल्कुल और उसमें चेयरमैन की सहमति होगी. एट बी लेवल और सी लेवल इट इज़ नॉट बीइंग आस्क्ड एंड यू कैन से permission is being given by general manager and presidents like that. हो सकता है कि मान लीजिए कभी इंफॉर्मेशन दी जाए। हाँ, एक बात हमेशा ध्यान रखिएगा। एक मेरा स्टूडेंट आया मेरे पास, बोले साहब मेरे को एक पोस्ट मिली है बॉम्बे में, एंड इट वाज अ टॉप नॉच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, असिस्टेंट टू चेयरमैन। ही आस्क्ड मी, हमने कहा आप बैठे क्यों हो, यहाँ क्यों हो? जस्ट इमीडिएटली ज्वाइन देयर, जाके इमीडिएटली ज्वाइन देयर। देन माई डायरेक्टर सीनियर, he also asked, rush there, just leave this place again and just join that post, assistant to chairman. हमने कहा you are most powerful, sometimes most powerful than chairman, because each and every information, each and every file is going through yourself. Assistant to chairman, assistant to prime minister, assistant to president, vice president, and like that, minister. Ultimately you are part and parcel of, you can say, top notch leaders. मैं ध्यान रखना जिंदगी में कभी भी, अब तो खैर कलाम साहब नहीं रहे, लेकिन मेरी सोच है ऐसा कोई ऑफर मिले कलाम साहब का असिस्टेंट भी बनना पड़े तो मैं उनका ब्रीफ के सूट को से उठा लूँगा। सच ए ग्रेट मैन, सच ए ग्रेट मैन। देन NPD senior management appointments may be referred to the board. The directing functions of the board have certainly formal informal components. देखिए जो डायरेक्टर्स डायरेक्ट करते हैं, जो वर्क करते हैं, इसमें फॉर्मल्स रोल भी है, इनफॉर्मल रोल है। बहुत सा देखिए, बहुत से ढेर सारे काम रिटन नहीं होते हैं, वर्बल होते हैं। टॉप नॉच आदमी बहुत सा जो स्ट्रेटजिक इश्यूज हैं वो तो रिटन होते हैं, लेकिन जो इनफॉर्मल ढेर सारा काम है, प्लेंटी ऑफ वर्क इज़ इनफॉर्मल। आप ऐसा कर दीजिए भाई, ऐसा क्यों है, इतना बोला, ऐसा क्यों है, ऐसा कर लीजिए। उनकी टीम है, वो जानती है कि हमारे साहब ने क्या क्या हमसे चाहते हैं। मेरे एक बॉस थे, तो आई हैड वर्कड विथ हिम एज अ मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनी एंड टेक्निकल सुपरवाइजर। उनके 3 साल काम करा, फिर मेरे वो और बॉस बने, मेरे डायरेक्टर बने। तो मालूम है वो उनकी एक राइटिंग हुआ करती थी, तो लोग मेरे पास आते हैं, देखो मूर्ति साहब ने क्या लिखा है, इसको देखो। तो आई वॉज नोइंग हिज विजन, व्हाट ही विल से, व्हाट ही विल नॉट से। आप देखिए, आप अपनी अगर राइटिंग करते हैं तो कुछ वर्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी फैक्टर्स होता है। व्हाट एवर माई विजन है, लाइकिंग डिसलाइकिंग्स आर देयर। आपका भी ओवर द ईयर्स माइंडसेट विल बी देयर, एटीट्यूड होगा, आप वही शब्द बार बार इस्तेमाल करेंगे। तो एंड इट वॉज 99% 100% वॉज राइट, आई टेल यू। देखिए एक बात हमेशा ध्यान रखिए, लाइफ में हर आदमी एक माइंडसेट पे वर्क करता है। गांधी ने एक माइंडसेट पे वर्क किया, नेहरू ने एक माइंडसेट पे काम करा, पटेल साहब ने एक माइंडसेट पे, भगत सिंह ने एक माइंडसेट पे, सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने माइंडसेट पे काम किया, चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद साहब ने एक, और राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल हो, अशफाक उल्ला खां हो, उन्होंने सब एक माइंडसेट पे, उनकी एक आइडियोलॉजी थी। और हर मैं है, आप है, आपकी लाइकिंग है, डिसलाइकिंग, उसी अप्रोच पे आप चलते हैं, समझ रहे हो? चाहे करंट लीडरशिप, वो एक माइंडसेट पे चलती है। देख, डायरेक्टर भी एक अपने माइंडसेट पे चलता है, इंडिविजुअल माइंडसेट एंड ग्रुप माइंडसेट। टाटा सन्स क्या चाहता है वो डिसाइड करेगा। अभी बीच में जैसे साइरस मिस्त्री का है, साइरस मिस्त्री साहब, दो वी शुडंट क्रिटिसाइज, बट टाटा सन्स ने कहा कि दिस इज नॉट पॉलिसी ऑफ एस्टैब्लिश टाटा एम्पायर एंड यू आर जस्ट बिलीविंग इन हायर एंड फार। जो हमारे यहाँ बंदे 30 साल 40 साल से काम करें, एंड इन नॉट वन डे यू कैन जस्ट शो देम द रूट ऑफ एग्जिट। देर वॉज अ, you can say, conflict of opinion. Ultimately, board of directors decided not to continue as a you can say chairman of Tata Empire. Chief of Tata Empire, I tell you, very you can say important थिंग इज दैट। आप समझ रहे, होटल ताज पे अटैक क्यों हुआ था? ताज हमारी शान है, हिंदुस्तान की शान है, और बॉम्बे से 40% आपका फॉरेन ट्रेड 40% फॉरेन ट्रेड बॉम्बे से होता है। कहते हैं कि बिजनेस हब है बॉम्बे, सारे ऑफिसेज वहीं हैं। ताज हमारी शान है, बॉम्बे मेरी जान, कहते हैं ना, बॉम्बे एक फिल्म थी, बॉम्बे मेरी जान, तो जान है हिंदुस्तान की, क्योंकि 40% बिजनेस, 40% बहुत होता। ओके, देन board is involved in review screening of executive decision in the light of their environmental, business and organizational implications। देखिए क्या हो रहा है, they review, they watch, they review watch of executive decision in the light of environmental factors। I told you environmental factors are there। Then business and organizational implication, business and you can say organizational implication। One thing I would like to share that, आप इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी जाइए, समझे, देहरादून में है, आई विजिटेड वंस। वहाँ क्या है, जो इंस्टीट्यूट है उस पर एक आउल की, उल्लू की वो लगा है, एक चिपका हुआ उसमें। एनीबडी कमेंट? वही आउल वॉज सेलेक्टेड, उल्लू को उस उन्होंने लगाया हुआ, क्यों? एनीबडी? आप कहते हैं आप शकुन हो जाता है। एनीबडी कमेंट? अब
उसकी गर्दन 360 घूमती है सर।
अच्छा, अरे वाह, बस। हाँ तो एक बात ठीक है, 360 ऑब्जर्वेशन हो गया, 360 ऑब्जर्वेशन, वन कमेंट, वेरी गुड। अनदर वन, आकांक्षा कमेंट?
Sir, he can see in darkness.
हैं?
Sir, he can
हाँ,
see
यस,
in darkness.
he can see in the darkness, वेरी गुड कमेंट। और अभय, हाँ बोलिए।
सर, उसको देख भी आप नहीं सकते हो, थोड़ा सा डरावना लगता है।
थिंक पॉजिटिव, इस समय आप पॉजिटिव सोचिए। देखिए, हाँ, यस, गरिमा कमेंट? हाँ कमेंट।
तो मेरे में नेटवर्क इशू है, मैंने क्वेश्चन नहीं सुन पाया है।
हाँ, IMA एकेडमी, इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी देहरादून में है, तो उसमें बिल्डिंग में घुसते ही एक उल्लू की, आउल का जो स्टैचू चिपका हुआ है, बना हुआ, तो वही दिस बर्ड वाज सेलेक्टेड। उल्लू ही क्या?
वो अंधेरे में देख सकता है, इस वजह से।
अरे यार, मैं आपको स्ट्रेटजिक मैनेजमेंट पढ़ा हूँ, थिंक
बिकॉज ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस।
हाँ, यस, हाँ, और इंटेलिजेंस हो गया, और
Owl is meant to be very wise.
ओके, आई एम जस्ट, हाँ, यस, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, हाँ, आई एम जस्ट क्लोजिंग, हाँ ठीक है। एक्चुअली क्या है, आपने देखा होगा, आउल जो है ना, बोलता कम है, देखता ज़्यादा। लीडर क्या है, वो ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, देखते हैं, थिंक करते हैं, एंड टेक एक्शन। सेल्डम दे स्पीक, एंड लीडर शुड स्पीक लेस, एक्ट मोर। हमेशा ध्यान रखिए, एक लीडर जो होता है ना, उसको बहुत ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहिए। आप बोलेंगे तो यू विल लूज योर सीरियसनेस। आप हमेशा ऑब्जर्व करिए, एडवाइस लीजिए, देखिए, सोचिए, एंड टेक डिसीजन। जैसे मैंने कहा ना, सैम मानेकशॉ 13 days ड्यूरिंग वॉर बिटवीन इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान, ही hadn't slept for 13 days। गुड शॉट, अटैक, एंड इमीडिएटली डिसीजन वॉज टेकन। ठीक है, तो जस्ट सी, आप देखिए, ऑब्जर्व करिए, सोचिए और डिसीजन लीजिए. सेल्डम यू स्पीक, सेल्डम दे स्पीक, आई टेल यू. Seldom they speak. This is the, you can say, characteristics and feature of good leader. They don't just speak nonsense, I tell you, in the public. Otherwise, they lose their seriousness. In social, economic, and political milieu, because of link between organization and its environment. Like you are a leader of the organization. You are at the top. You are being seen. You are being observed. You are being analyzed. एक मैं बस जस्ट आई एम गोइंग टू फिनिश. देखिए, एक आप लोगों की एक आदत होती है, मैं आप पे आता हूँ. क्लास में टीचर खड़ा है, यू जस्ट एनालाइज अ टीचर. टीचर बोल कैसा रहा है, टीचर की शर्ट कैसी है, पैंट कैसे है, जूता कैसा है, सब जानना. लेडी टीचर है तो उसको लड़कियां जो है ना, लेडी जो है ना, सब उसको भी एनालाइज करेंगे. तो जस्ट तक तो दोज हु आर एट द टॉप, आई टेल यू, दोज हु आर एट द टॉप, दे आर स्क्रीन्ड, एनालाइज, नॉट ओनली सीन. आप समझने की कोशिश करिए. तो एंड पीपल आर एक्सपेक्टिंग मोर. यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम मी मोर एंड मोर. थिंकिंग अनथिंकेबल, थिंकिंग अनथिंकेबल. आपने कहा चलिए सर से पूछते हैं, मैडम से पूछते हैं. बिकॉज योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस आर, यू हैव वेरी हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस. ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो सकता है, सर से पूछते हैं. These words I am just closing my talk with you. Thank you very much.